So the next step is we need to pull out the bottom of our Lego piece. Let's look at that here. I need to get rid of this. So we're going to use what's called the shell command. The shell is going to remove up to a certain thickness. So I'm going to measure this wall thickness. And look, so that's 0.47. So I'm now going to use our shell command. The shell thickness is going to be 0.047. Hit tab. And that even gives us the cool little pip details where the pips go up. So now we're going to draw in our next piece, which is going to be this cylinder here. So I'm going to start a sketch. I'm going to draw a circle. I want to make sure those are concentric. It looks like they are. Now, I know this from here to here needs to be, oh, okay, that's good. This should be exactly 1 LU. And this dimension is exactly the same dimension. So, and I always want to make sure I'm using the variable, not typing the number in, because if I decide I need to fix my Lego unit, we'll see that in a moment, everything will update automatically, which is really helpful. Now I'm going to start making some measurements. So let's take a look. Let's grab the outside of the circle. I'm measuring it. I'm going to sort of reach in with the claws, teeth, make sure I get it all around the center. And it looks like it's 0.252. Little fat finger right there. And then to pull the other measurement, I could pull the wall thickness, or I can use the back of the caliper. Use the back of the caliper to reach in the hole and get a measurement. So it's 0.182. Let's see a second if that looks good. There we go. That looks reasonable. All right, we're going to extrude this. And instead of blind, we're going to go up to face this face here. I don't know why my computer's running so terribly slow. It's kind of awful. There we go. And again, instead of drawing in anything else, I'm going to rectangular pattern this guy here. Oh, change it to a feature pattern. That, its direction is going to be, and it's going to be, is it going to be LU? And we go this way, and we need to be 3 of them. And that looks good. Everything else in here could be considered a just injection molding feature. The little lifts here are for making it grab a little better, but our Legos aren't going to be that precise. This inner tab is to help it from collapsing when they pull it from the injection molding. So helps to actually turn on the camera. So these little pips in here, these little ridges, are there just to help with grabbing with the pieces. It's not really critical. Same with these ridges here for injection molding, so the sides don't collapse. These are to help grab a little better, these little thicknesses, but I'm not going to model those in. They're not really critical. Now, if you'd like to get your Legos more precise, you're welcome to go ahead. If you feel like you're comfortable just doing the basics, that's fine too. So the last thing I'm going to do is let's rename some stuff, because we're going to be using this Lego quite a bit, because I can make a lot of Legos based on this part. So I'm going to rename this guy. Base. This extrusion. Get renamed Pips. Actually, I'm going to rename this one Master Pip. Rename this one Pips. Rename Master Center Cylinder. And I'll rename this one cylinders. Now, renaming is useful, and you'll see that in our next video why we really